I'm going to take on a new storage project today. I will build a rack for IKEA boxes. The rack will fit this smaller storage box as well as a slightly bigger one. This is all the stuff I need to get organized. So let's get started. The rack will be made out of 6mm MDF board and a thicker 16mm plywood. The boxes will slide onto these aluminium L brackets. I begin by attaching the top, middle and bottom plane to the back sheet of the rack with screws and glue. After that, I'm adding the side panels. I'm sanding everything off, then painting it with a roller, starting with 2 layers of primer and then 2 layers of half matte wood paint. The edges of the sliding brackets are filed, then I'm gluing them to the sides, making sure that they are perpendicular using a digital angle gauge. The boxes needs to be slightly modified to fit the rack, so I take off these tabs with the handsaw. storage rack is now finished. It holds a lot of things, but still giving you a nice overview of everything, also allowing for easy access. Thank you for watching.